Welcome to the LeadPilot AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the lead finder in LeadPilot AI. From the left side menu, click on Lead Finder. You can enter the niche. You can enter the location. You can select the country bias. Click on Apply Filters to Query. Click on Hunt Leads. You can view all the leads. You can see the lead name, email address, phone number, website, address. You can draft outreach. You can save the lead. Here, you can select a campaign. Or you can create a new campaign. You can enter the campaign name. You can enter the niche. You can enter the location. Click on Create. Click on Save Leads. You can save all the leads to the campaign. Thanks for watching the video.